Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 28th of October. This is your reading. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Yes. With the elections. You think you're a coconut who just fell out of a coconut tree? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo. We got the Seven of Swords. I'm getting theft, Virgo. I'm getting theft of sensitive information. I'm getting, okay. I don't know where the fuck this came from. I'm getting something about leak emails. Or am I getting something about sensitive information that you and your people were supposed to only view, it got out to the other team. This could be something like polls, like votes. But we're getting something rigged. That's the first thing we're getting, Virgo. Something rigged. Something is made for you to lose. Or am I getting uncount ballots? Something uncount for. That's what I'm getting. Seven of Swords is theft. It's military intelligence too. So it could be something big. We have the Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. I'm getting, is it that you don't notice that something was stolen from you? No, the Seven of Swords can also be online. That's like somebody hacking your accounts and watching your accounts not do well, knowing that they're the reason why it's happening, but you can't see it. I'm getting something, somebody been doing something to you, them a thief something from you, or them a fuck up your online shit. Nine of Cups. Somebody wants to sabotage you so badly, so badly. We have the Nine of... I'm getting somebody want to take your man. You have a man, I'm getting any man you like, somebody want to take him from you. I'm getting you're not supposed to have no man, no sex. You're supposed to be the ugly duckling, the ugly single duckling that nobody wants. I'm getting somebody around you. I'm getting any man who are interested in you, your friend will fuck the man. Just so the man don't want you. Just so the man can ignore you, she will fuck the man. If this is a man, I'm getting any girl when they're around you, the man will try to fuck the girl. As long as you're not getting pussy, as long as you're not getting dick, I'm getting some, it's like somebody want you to watch them live for them life. But them a sabotage every shit what happened in your life. What the fuck? Well. Yeah, the Ten of Swords and the... Yeah! I'm getting any man, I don't know if I'm your friend, I don't know if I'm your sister, I don't know if I'm your mother. I'm getting any man you're there with, the woman gonna fuck your man. Or she gonna do something to try to make you jealous, or she gonna do something. Basically, any man you have, you can't have no man, basically. I'm getting somebody just want you to watch them. Watch them and for them, I don't know what them want. But I'm getting something is supposed to hurt you over and over and over and over again. Maybe a man's supposed to hurt you over and over again until you're like, pussy, I'll never be attracted to a pussy. Never, never, never. I won't lie, I don't mind freaky girls though. I will watch. But my weakness has been men since the beginning of fucking time. That's why I'm a poop on a like no man around me. That's why my dad rather me see me suck a girl's pussy than be with a man. My father would rather me suck a girl pussy. My father would rather me be with a butch woman than a fucking... Actually, my family probably would rather me, because I'm not gonna lie. I mean, out of all the kids, I did get a lot of good genes. I'm just saying, alright? I came out on the prettier side of my family members. I won't lie, okay? Great. And I did come out with the side that has a little small body count, small body weight, right? Okay, great. So there's already discrimination within my family line, but I'm also getting, yeah, if my family could, then when I met my fuck woman the rest of my life, they would say you're gonna fuck one butch woman for the rest of your life. That's what they would choose for me. So if you're wondering why is it that my family members are giving you a hard time, it's because they want me to fuck woman. Basically, because a couple of them fuck woman already, which is fine. I never ever told them to not fuck woman, but apparently they want me to fuck woman too. No, okay? So me getting, yeah, any relationship you have, I saw it at end. Until you go both ways, until you leave men alone, Sweetie, my mother never leave you alone. So obviously, me never fall too far from where my mother did fall. Because she never leave nobody like you alone. She get pregnant and have me. Well, I'm repeating the same mistakes my mother made. Knight of Swords, yeah. We're getting something is supposed to make you stay away from people. Something's supposed to make you scared. But you're not. Because the devil really isn't scary when you know who they are. When you know what the devil wants, it's not scary. The devil will just take what they want from you and leave you the fuck alone. So that's what I'm getting. I'm getting someone who want to make sure every relationship you're in or so it's gonna end. Or somebody will strictly use you for sex. No problem, you'll use them for money. Duh. Wait. So it's not. There's a ghost in my room. We have the sun card. We have marriage. Maybe your friend, your ex-husband, or she talking. So your friend talk to your ex-husband, basically. So your ex-husband is telling your friend stuff, or your ex-boyfriend after their friends things to torment you. I don't know. I don't know what the genius IQ. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.